Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to recapitulate respiration of life processes. Children, we know that the respiration is a biological process by which food is burnt in the cells of the body with the help of the oxygen to release the energy. It takes place in the mitochondria of the cells, and we know that the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell where the ATP is produced. So first, the energy is released during the respiration is used to make the ATP molecules. ATP means adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy currency of the cell. ATP is produced from the ADP molecules. ADP is the adenosine diphosphate molecules and inorganic phosphates. So that the energy is stored in the cells in the form of ATP molecules. When the cells need energy, ATP is broken down in the presence of water to form the ADP and release the energy. So children, basically there are two types of respiration process. First is aerobic respiration and second is anaerobic respiration process. In the aerobic respiration process, by the name we can know that it is the takes place in the presence of oxygen. So it is called the aerobic respiration. It produces more energy and the end product are carbon dioxide, water and energy. So that children, in the aerobic respiration, glucose is converted into pyruvate into the cytoplasm and in the presence of oxygen, and then it is presence of the oxygen pyruvate it again converted into the carbon dioxide, water and energy in the mitochondria, which is the cell organelle. But in the anaerobic respiration, the respiration process takes place in the absence of oxygen and it produces less energy, so that the end products are lactic acid or the ethanol, carbon dioxide and small amount of energy is released. It takes place in the muscle cells and the yeast. Children, you can see in the first reaction the glucose is converted into pyruvate in the presence of oxygen, but in the absence of oxygen pyruvate is converted into the lactic acid. This process is done in our muscle cell when the heavy exercise or the running process. And the second reaction you can see in which the glucose is converted into pyruvate in the cytoplasm, which is in the presence of oxygen, but in the yeast cell in the absence of oxygen pyruvate converted into the ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. So children, this is the human respiratory system. You can see the different part of the human respiratory system. In the human respiratory system, the main organs are the nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, lungs and the diaphragm. All are the important parts. Children, this is the chemical reaction of breaking down of the glucose by the various pathways. First, the glucose is converted into pyruvate into the cytoplasm, which is in the presence of oxygen. Then, after pyruvate is converted into the carbon dioxide, water and energy in the mitochondria, which is called the aerobic respiration because it occurs in the presence of oxygen. In the second reaction, pyruvate is converted into the lactic acid and small amount of energy in the absence of oxygen. It done in the muscle cells. And the third reaction in which pyruvate is converted into the ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy in the yeast cells. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Today you should revise this chapter. Tomorrow I will take your test of this chapter, life processes, and I am sharing you some important question answers of this chapter. So you should learn these question answers. Thank you children.